Other new arrival, the 32 Ford Highboy Roadster. By the way, that was me just taking a deep breath. How about the 32 Ford Highboy Roadster, yellow over black, TCI frame, Harwood body. And this ain't your run-of-the-mill 350 Chevy deal.
Right.
This is a 383 stroker with 500 horsepower, Power Glide automatic, Ford 9-inch rear. Oh, my God. This thing, so you look at highboys, you think, well, what's a highboy? Well, it's something that sits on top of the frame instead of channeling into the frame to give it that low boy. It's not low boy.
No.
It's just, I don't know what it is exactly.
What the name is of the opposite.
I don't either. It's
Highboy?
the opposite of highboy.
Highboy's low boy.
It's a low boy. And because channeling was not easy to do. You had to cut out, the body and make it fit down over the frame so it gave it that low, sleek look, which I preferred over the highboys, but that's just me.
Yeah.